Hi, today we are going to make pakoras recipe. So let's start now. Don't skip. Very delicious pakoras. First of all, take besan, gram flour, add spices. Now add soda, add namak, salt, add ajwain, add red chili pepper, chili flakes and mix well. Now add mixture, green chilies, onions and potatoes. Pour the mixture into the besan. Mix well. Now add dry dhania, coriander, dry coriander. Now add water to make the mixture. Mix well and make mixture. Add some water. Now keep the besan for 10 minutes. Now heat the oil and add the pakoras to the hot oil. Now cook until the pakoras turn brown. Turn the sides. Turn the sides quickly. Wow, looking brown. Now take out the delicious and hot pakoras in the dish. Dish out now. Very yummy and spicy pakoras recipe is ready now. Must try delicious recipe. Add chaat masala. Very nice. Very nice. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more recipes.